Good morning. Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys my morning skincare routine. So keep watching. First I'm going to brush my teeth with Hello Charcoal Toothpaste. I really do like this toothpaste. I can tell a difference from using it. First I'm taking out the wax from my braces. But anyway, I like this toothpaste. The only thing bad I would say about it is it's really messy. My sink is white, so when I spit the toothpaste in the sink, it seems like black spatters get everywhere all over the sink, so that is annoying. But yeah, just brush your teeth for 1 to 2 minutes. Don't forget to brush your tongue and your gums. The mouthwash I chose to use today was the Colgate Peroxyl. My orthodontist recommended this brand to me because, again, I do have top braces and sometimes they could cut your mouth, my gums, so it's really good for that reason. Help to clean out your mouth and any cuts you might have. For my facial cleanser, I'm going in with Cetaphil. It's very gentle. I have very sensitive skin, so it doesn't irritate my skin. And the little sponge that I'm using, I got that from off of Amazon. I think it came in a pack of 10 or 11. I use them a couple times and throw them away. The direction says, on clean makeup-free skin, place mask under eye, keep on for 20 minutes to allow proper hydration, discard, and enjoy brighter eyes. Repeat for 10 days to notice the difference. So this 24 karat gold collagen eye mask, it helps to minimize bags and fades dark circles. So for myself, I have dark circles under my eyes. It's hereditary. It runs in my father's side of the family, so I've always had them ever since I can remember. The under eye mask also helps to reduce fine lines, wrinkles, and crow's feet around the eye area. One box of the eye mask contains 15 masks, and also it's only $13.95 for one box. I try to use a face mask at least once or twice a week. Today I'm using Freeman's mud mask. So I'm going to keep both masks, the eye mask and mud mask, on for 20 minutes. So I'm back. It's been 20 minutes and I'm removing the eye mask, and if you can tell the difference, I can see how lighter under my eyes are already. I've been using this mask for 5 days and I definitely can see a huge difference. Like I said earlier, I have sensitive, extremely sensitive skin, so I was scared to use the eye mask at first because I thought it was going to irritate my under eye area. But thankfully it didn't irritate my skin, and the smell really didn't smell like anything to me because, again, I am sensitive to fragrances and products, and it didn't bother me at all. Now that my face is fresh and clean, I'm going to use the original Glycolic acid toner. Follow up with sweet almond oil. I placed it under my eye area because that also helps with dark circles. For this day, I knew I was not going outside, so instead of using a moisturizer with SPF in it, I used my oil that I use at night, which is jojoba oil, to moisturize. You can't forget about those lips. You don't want to walk around with crusty lips. Said I have a nice, clean, fresh face. Under eye area looks brighter. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.